Okay, this is along Molly Barr Road. This is the Oxford Depot Trail, the north end of it, and this is about the end of where the railroad was in Oxford. If you go north through the cut up there, you just reach the airport, and then the tracks end on the other side of the airport, which we're not going to go to. So we're on what's now the Oxford Depot Trail. That's facing north towards the airport, and this is where it crosses Washington Avenue rather, and continues south towards the university there. This is the Oxford University Depot, constructed in 1872. There used to be tracks on both sides of this depot. Looking to the north there's Jackson Avenue along that hotel. There used to be two bridges over Jackson Avenue, and the main part of the railroad went over here to the west of the depot. This was the main line going towards the north there, and this way went south through what's now that road up there, Ford Boulevard, through the Hilgard Cut and continuing south. And this here is the Oxford Depot Trail. The original bridges over Jackson Avenue are no longer here. This is a newer pedestrian bridge. This was where one of the bridges was, and the other bridge is right there on the other side and connected over that way. And this is Jackson Avenue, that's facing west. So this here is Ford Boulevard now. This is what was the Hilgard Cut on the Mississippi Central Railroad. That's going northeast there. There's the University Avenue Bridge that goes over to the University of Mississippi, and the railroad continued south past Hemingway Stadium there. Okay, we're here on the campus of the University of Mississippi, and we are going to try and find an old railroad trestle from the Mississippi Central Railroad. And right up there is Vaught Hemingway Stadium. This is the tennis area over here, track and field. So this is on the southern end of campus. And we're standing right in the middle of what used to be the Mississippi Central Railroad, and it goes south here, crosses the Trestle, and then goes across what's now Highway 6, straight down there through that center of the photo. We're gonna have to find a way around this though. And the railroad used to continue up there, straight through there, around the stadium and up what's now Ford Boulevard. So we're walking down the railroad grade here. There's fences on each side, but there's nothing blocking your way through other than all this vegetation, wisteria. Let's see if we can get through here down to the trestle. Made it down here to the trestle, and can just walk straight across it. Oh, there's a rotted out boards on this. I don't know if this is safe to go across. Yeah, a lot of those ties were definitely rotted, so I wouldn't walk across the bridge. And there's also a lot of poison ivy in here, so you might want to wear pants if you're coming through here. We're gonna try and go around to this side and get a side view of it. So as we're coming down for the athletic area, there's this road here, and the railroad grade just goes along here. You walk down this road. You can't drive down it, it's gated, but you have to come down here and go through this wooded area here to try to see the trestle again. We are here at the Mississippi Central Railroad trestle in Oxford, Mississippi. This trestle is secluded, hidden from view, difficult to find. It is on the campus of the University of Mississippi and on the southern edge of campus between Highway 6, which is right over there, and there's no easy way to access this except for bushwhacking through the woods. And as you can see, the trestle's still here and looks like in pretty good condition. It's hard to really get anywhere we can get a photo of this. So Chucky Mullins Drive is right down there towards the end of the trail. Then this trail now goes about 2.5 miles from Chucky Mullins there down towards Taylor. It doesn't get anywhere close to Taylor. Most of the railroad from that end of the trail on is just abandoned. So we're above the South Campus Rail Trail here, towards the northern end near Chucky Mullins Drive, which is right up in that direction. There's a whole network of mountain bike and hiking trails through here, this wooded area here, but this is a smaller cut on the trail as it continues down towards the southeast, back towards where the railroad used to go towards Taylor. So this here was the site of Buckner's trestle. This was what they say was a 100-foot long, 50-foot high trestle. It doesn't look like much today, but it's been graded out. It's not too much of a hill to climb here. This was the site of 2 train wrecks, one in 1870 where 20 people were killed and another in 1928 that just resulted in some injuries. There's a sign up ahead about it, but this is right next to the Faulkner Flats apartment area, and there's a side trail that connects to it over there. And that's about it for this rail trail. There's not much else to see on it. It's just through the forest like this.